Okay, ready? Okay, let's take it out. Scoop it. Wait, scoop it up high.
Scoop it.
Okay. Let's get that. Wait, Shitzy, you can't put it down there. We gotta put it here. That's why I said start with Aubrey. Okay, take out the green one. No, don't use that spoon in there. You gotta use the new spoon. Okay, take the next one out. Just wait for Mommy, Blythe, okay? Oh, that's so pretty. Wait, this one's Garrett's. This one's Garrett's, okay? Now we're gonna let Garrett do it. Scoop it out, buddy.
And you do green one and blue.
Yay! Hold on. We'll put more. Do this one, Shitzy. Hold on. Do this one. I know, Garrett. Just a minute. No, this one.
This one?
Yeah, hold on. Purple one. It's okay. Garrett, can you wait just a second, kiddo? Okay, do the yellow one next. Oh, so put that spoon down. Whoops, that's okay. Now do this one. No, use this spoon here. Ooh.
A blue one.
Okay. And now Mommy gets to do the last one, okay?
Well, listen to this one.
Okay, are we ready for more eggs? Okay, Garrett, ready? Come on, ready, buddy? Here. Ready? Put your egg in there. Yay! No, you gotta leave it in there now. Okay, hold on, Garrett. Wait. Okay, Garrett. Okay, fine. Here. Oh, careful. All right. Now we're gonna put a bit on you then.
I can't want to scoop it out.
I know. Garrett, you gotta leave it in there. You can't take it out yet.
I can't go.
It's okay, Shitzy. Okay, ready? Here, help me do. We're gonna do green one. Here, blue. We're gonna do blue one again. Here, Blythe, help me.
Okay.
Garrett, no. Let's do another yellow one.
We got 2 yellow ones.
Yeah. Let's do another red one. Put that spoon down.
We got ready.
Careful, Garrett. You're gonna spill the whole thing. No. This one here, Shitzy. This one here. Put that down. This one. That goes to that cup. Garrett, put it back. Okay, here, Shitzy. It's okay. That's why your napkins are here. But you gotta leave it in there, buddy. It's okay, Aubrey. Okay, here, this one. Okay, ready? Pink one. Oh, here, let's shift this back over here. Okay, ready? Pink one. Good. Okay, let's do a green one now. Good.
They're not floating.
No, they're not supposed to. Okay, another blue one. Oh, Garrett. Okay, here, do your blue one and then I'll clean him up, okay? Here. I know. Put it in there. Okay, put it back. Thank you, Garrett. Okay. Now look at the messy. No.